ladies, I'm coming to you with this video. This video is brought to you by our friends at Influenster and L'Oreal. So first, I want to say thank you so much to Influenster and L'Oreal for choosing me to do this review. This review is on the new Rouge Signature Matte Lippies by L'Oreal. They were sent to me free of charge, and I was sent 3 different colors, which are right here, and I have swatched them on my hand already. When swatching them on my hand, they did go on very creamy. I will show you, lovies, the applicator that is on these. It's a perfect applicator. So in this box as well, we have the Influenster card that's included. That basically tells you a little bit about the product as well. So it says, sign your lips with bare lip sensation, L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature, an innovative matte colored ink that delivers the weightless feel of a stain combined with the high color impact of a liquid lipstick. This ultra comfortable non-drying matte colored ink infuses lips with a healthy, even dye of color that leaves a beautiful, even stain on the lips throughout wear. So the key benefits to wearing this: it is ultra lightweight, feel for bare lip sensation, vibrant dyes and high pigments, lasting matte finish that's ultra comfortable, and designed with a precision applicator to shape and line your lips for a precise and perfectly applied lip every time. This product does come in 12 statement shades as well. So the first one I'm going to show you, which is this beautiful red here. They do transfer, so I will show you that. I've had these on my hand for probably about 15-20 minutes. So yeah, it does transfer. But this color, the red color, is called I Am Worth It. I don't know if you lovers can see that on my camera, but it looks like this. And I'm going to show you the applicator, which is, I love the way the applicator is. The applicator looks like that. Kind of strange looking, but it is able to, you know, line the outside of the lips, and then you're able to just get around without the applicator being fat and then going outside the lips, which is not a big deal for me, but some people, yeah. So you have the thickness more towards the bottom, and then it gets smaller at the very top. So like I said, this color is called I'm Worth It, and it's this pretty red color there. The next color I have, which is in the middle, is called I Rule, and it's that color there. And it looks like that on the applicator as well. I also like the packaging. It's the kind of foggy looking glass bottle here, and then it has the signature L'Oreal Paris in gold bar here, but L'Oreal Paris is in the black, and then, well, the frosted bottle, I mean, and then the black top, which I like. Simple but chic. The last color they sent me is I Create, which is a nudie color. I'm sure I will be wearing this color a lot, and it's this color right there. So these signature lip glosses, well, LipStains they are calling them, retail for about $10 I've seen at Target. So yeah, definitely check them out if you're interested. If you're a L'Oreal girl, definitely check them out. Like I said, they went on very, very creamy. As you can tell, they have a sheen to them, which is a plus. So that basically, you know, they're not drying, and they won't dry the lip out. For $10, this is like a lot in a tube. For a lippy, it is 0.23 fluid ounces. So that's how much product you do get in here. Once again, these are the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Matte Lippies. Well, they're calling them color ink or lip stains. So yeah, definitely check them out. Thank you all for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next video.